Hey there, welcome back to Hello Pumpkin Studios, and in today's video we are going to swap out the wiper blades on a 2015 Mazda 3. What you're going to need is a 24-inch blade for the driver's side, and then you're going to get an 18 blade for the passenger side, and we're going to go replace them right now. First step is you're going to pull the wiper blade up towards you so that's easy to get to. These are Michelins that we picked up at Costco that we're taking off here. So they have this like protective thing that you can pull back off. So you're going to pull this up, and then there's a button inside here that's going to release, and then you can pull it right off, and it should look just like that. Here's a closer look at the way that the lever works. So it's right here that you pull off and push down. And then to replace the windshield wiper, you just push this down in there like this, and you'll see this piece line up perfectly with this. You just slide it right up in there and it'll click like so, and then you push it down, pull on it, make sure it comes back at you, doesn't come off, then you can put it right back down. Now on to the passenger side. Once again, you lift it up, pull this part off. Sometimes this part can get a little dry rot. As you can see, it's faded. Then once again, you're going to push down and push towards you. Like so. It'll come off. Just like that. Another one off. And then we'll open the 18. Alright, once again, you're going to feed it through. Let it click and snap. Make sure it's on there tight, like so. Push it back down. And that's all it is. Well, that's a quick, simple video here at Hello Pumpkin Studios. We picked up these Michelin all-weather blades at Walmart. They're about $7.50 a piece, so about $15.50, or yeah, about $15 for a whole set for this car. We had these ones from Costco, and these lasted us about 2 years. These ones are a little fancier, but yeah, these ones last us 2 years, so we're really looking forward to see how long these ones last us from Walmart. Thanks for joining us on this project, and we'll see you around on the next one.